How's it going, Central New York? I'm First Alert meteorologist Mike Brookins, and if there was any doubt if we were still in winter, this weekend really did set us straight, really smacked in the face as far as the snowfall goes to the west of Onondaga County. We saw upwards of a foot plus in Wayne County. Rochester, almost 1.5 feet of snow, and it's still snowing to beat the band out there. We've got lake effect snow advisory as we are recording this here in Syracuse. I really think it should be a warning tonight, frankly. National Weather Service just saying an advisory. I think they're underestimating the amount of snowfall we're going to get. It's going to be a slow go for the morning commute with snow steady overnight, moderate at times. We saw a period this evening with 2 inches in 2 hours. So we're getting 1 inch per hour here, folks. Warnings in these counties in the red: Oswego, Northern Cayuga, and Wayne. Now the good news is the bands will be on the move later tonight, so that tomorrow morning the weather will dramatically improve to the southwest of Onondaga County. It may go downhill east of Lake Ontario, however, and eventually the sun comes back out in Syracuse. Always does, doesn't it? 18 and 13 the temperatures from Sunday. Daytime snowfall was only 0.5 inches. Amazing. You go from Route 81, the Syracuse airport, with 1/2 inch of snow, almost a foot over in Sodus. You get to Newark, there was over a foot of snow. So western sections, the western fringe of our viewing area, dramatically different. And that snow went into the Finger Lakes as well. So look for those numbers to really jump up tonight and as we go through the day on Monday. For the evening, it's a steady lake effect snow, moderate to light, but just about everyone getting it, with the exception of the far north country. If you're watching us in Jefferson, Lewis, northern Herkimer County, you're totally left out. As of now, you may get some lighter lake effect snow coming up Monday. After midnight, the wind shifts to the west. That'll bring the bands closer to Syracuse and eventually north of Syracuse. By Monday morning, a little bit more of a shift, and that band is going to go east of Lake Ontario. So the Tug Hill gets a little snowfall. So we've got some localized snowfall forecast maps ahead that'll show you exactly what's going to take place. What is also taking place back to the west is a breaking up of the lake effect. A lot of dry air out here. So the snow will be lighter tomorrow. We're not going to find the amounts like we see tonight east of the lake. We may squeak out 4 to 6 inches over the Tug Hill, but that'll be mostly during the morning. So that west-northwest flow giving us the snow moves to more west by morning. Still getting the snow in Syracuse, north, and eventually that moves north of the city by late morning. It'll be east of the lake with a westerly wind and increasing sunny breaks for the rest of us during the daytime. Should be a nice sunny day in the Finger Lakes, actually. As we go through the nighttime, we'll pick up to 8 inches of snow in this white area. That's most of the metro area, surrounding counties around Onondaga County. And this is conservative. We're going to stay with this, and of course you can get the updated forecast on CNYCentral.com, our newscast as well, and Peter Hall will be in first thing in the morning to update this. These numbers could be even higher if the bands stay at the moderate intensity. 1 inch per hour times 12 hours, you get the drift. Could be up towards a foot. 2 to 6 inches during the daytime, mostly in the morning and midday east of the lake. In Syracuse, maybe 1 inch or 2 early, but that's when it ends. We'll find temperatures tomorrow making it back into the 30s. So temperatures actually go up tonight, but this lake effect snow continues. Begins to improve later at night through the Finger Lakes, and then through the morning hours, the lake effect snow moves to east of Lake Ontario. Syracuse, we're done by late morning with the snow. East of the lake, it lingers into the early to mid-afternoon with weakening flurries. It'll be a breezy day, winds 15 to 25 miles per hour at times, and a high temperature of 34, so not as bad as temperatures, and they continue to go up towards midweek. 38 degrees on Tuesday. A few light snow showers or flurries for Valentine's Day. There'll be little to no accumulation, though, so don't worry about it. 41 on Wednesday. Some scattered light snow showers, and rain and snow showers develop Thursday, middle 40s.